Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ThriveCart account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you deliver a digital course with ThriveCart Learn? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to deliver a digital course with ThriveCart Learn anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your customers are going to ask for various courses. And with your ThriveCart account, you get your ThriveCart, which is basically checkout pages or landing pages. And you also get access to what's called ThriveCart Learn. So it's basically ThriveCart's way to set up video courses or digital courses. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to create the course in ThriveCart Learn. Once your course is created, you're going to use the ThriveCart checkout pages to deliver that course. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ThriveCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ThriveCart and this is the home screen. Now, in order for this to work, you had to have already set up your ThriveCart course. After you set up the ThriveCart course, you're going to set up a ThriveCart product page, and that's what you're going to share with your customers so they can buy the course first. After that, they would be routed into your ThriveCart Learn course. So first, what you're going to do is go here to ThriveCart Learn. It looks like a little graduation cap. Once you're in here, you're going to need to set up the course. If you need help setting up the course in detail, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But for this video, I'm just going to give you a quick overview. First, you're going to click here on New Project. This is basically the housing of your courses. So for example, this project, let's say it's going to be Chinese language course, and then create my project. Okay, once you've created the project, you're going to add a course. So click here, create new course. Let's go ahead and say beginner Chinese language. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and just fill all this out. Once you're done, go ahead and click create my course. Okay, so here you can go ahead and set up the courses. So they're set up in modules, which are basically chapters. And then under each module, they're going to be lessons. So once you've set all that up, go ahead and click on next and save and exit. Okay, now your course is saved. So I'm going to go to dashboard. Okay, now that we have set up our beginner Chinese language course, we're going to need to set up a product page. So here on the top, you're going to click on these three horizontal lines. All right, now you're going to click on create product. All right, we're going to choose digital and create new product. Okay, so this is the product creation page. So you're going to need to fill out the options, processors, pricing, add any order bumps. So again, if you need help setting up a product inside of ThriveCart, go back and watch my other video. It's going to describe it in complete detail. For this one, I'm just going to go over really quickly. So product name, Chinese beginner language. I'll leave it in English. I'm going to go ahead and make it live. Once we're done publishing, processor, I'm going to go ahead and choose PayPal and activate that. This is basically so my customers can pay before they get access to my digital course. Okay, on the pricing, we're going to leave it US dollars. I'm going to click here, set product price. I'm going to do a one-time fee, and let's say that we're charging $500 for this. I'm not offering a trial period, and next, and save. Okay, so now we have it set up for $500. And here on order bumps, this is if you're going to offer something else after. So maybe a private personal lesson, we'll offer it for $200 if they're already buying the $500 course. I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to click next. Bump rules, that doesn't apply since we don't have any order bumps. Okay, so this one is really important. So first we're going to add a support email. So fake email at fakeemail.com. So this is so they can contact me if they have any issues with my digital course. And this one is really important. What should happen after the purchase? So we're going to click here and we're going to send them to our membership site. After that, you're going to go ahead and choose ThriveCart Learn. And then here we're going to go ahead and choose the course that they're going to get access to. So here's our beginner Chinese language. And then we're going to click on next. Okay, now we're in the checkout. So we'll click on browse gallery. All right, next you're going to go ahead and choose your order screen. So I generally like to use this one right here. So I'm going to click select. Okay, so here you can see this is the checkout page. And after that, they'll be routed to the payment page, and then after that, a success page. So you can edit all of these. So we'll click on cart page, and then anytime you hover over something and it has these kind of turquoise dotted lines, that means you can edit it. So we'll just go ahead and click in here, buy my darn digital product. Okay, and then they're going to need to enter in their email. After that, they would be routed to the payment page so they can make their payment. After they make their payment of $500 for our Chinese beginner language, they would be routed to the success page, which is going to give them the link so they can access our digital course. So all of these pages you can edit. So for example, right here, thank you for the money. All right, so once you're done editing that, click on complete. If you're going to be adding in your Facebook pixel, you can add that here, or your Google Analytics, and then click on next. Automations, this would be if you're adding them into like your MailChimp or something like that. I'm not going to do that. So now I'm going to click on save and get URL. Okay, now we're done. So this is our link that we can share in our YouTube channel, in our Facebook group. And if you want to see what it looks like, click here, view checkout. Okay, so here is my digital product page. So like I said, they can can see that it's $500. They're going to need to enter in their email. After they click continue, they'll be able to make a payment. After they click a payment, they would then be delivered the digital course inside of our ThriveCart that we created for Chinese language. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to deliver a digital course using ThriveCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.